In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart on Asana. Gantt charts are a fantastic way to visualize project timelines, allowing you to schedule tasks collaboratively and ensure everyone is on the same page. So without further ado, let's dive right in and guide you through the process. First, we need to get logged into Asana. Begin by heading over to the Asana website. Once there, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type it in, then click on the Continue button. Following that, you'll need to input your password. Once everything is entered correctly, go ahead and click Log In. Once you're on your Asana homepage, you're ready to begin setting up your Gantt chart. Navigate to the project or portfolio you wish to visualize. Once inside your chosen project, locate and click on the Timeline tab. This brings us to the heart of our Gantt chart creation. In this timeline view, we have the capability to add tasks directly by clicking the Add Task button. To ensure those tasks populate correctly on your timeline, make sure each one has both a start and a due date. If any task has not been assigned these crucial dates, you'll find it in the Unscheduled Tasks section on the right side of the timeline. This makes it easy to spot which tasks need a little extra attention. Tasks with dependencies, meaning tasks that rely on the completion of others, are visually connected right on the timeline. Grey lines will represent non-conflicting dependencies, and this is your ideal scenario. However, if you spot a red line, that's a potential conflict, requiring a timely resolution to keep the project on track. Adding dependencies is straightforward. You can drag the connector between tasks, or opt for the Add Dependency option available to you. This flexibility ensures that your timeline remains representative of the true flow of your project sequence. Moreover, should there be a need to adjust due dates, simply drag and drop the tasks as needed. This action will automatically update your timeline accordingly, keeping everything up to date. To gain more information about a specific task, simply click on it to open the Details pane, where you can view and manage all aspects of that particular task. Additionally, to fine-tune your timeline, explore the timeline options where you can manage how dependency date shifting affects your schedule. Utilizing Asana's Gantt charts and timeline views arms you with the tools to visually plan projects, providing clarity and fostering efficient task management with your team. With the timeline feature, you can effortlessly adjust and keep track of your project's progress. And there you have it, a streamlined guide to creating and managing a Gantt chart in Asana. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you effectively manage your projects.